Hi guys, welcome to Pagapaiba channel. We have posted a couple of videos on application of optimization model in reduction of freight cost. First, we have shown how to optimize or reduce the transportation cost in movement of goods from factory to regional warehouse. In our next video, we have further shown how to reduce the transportation cost or optimize the transportation cost in further movement of goods from regional warehouse to divisional warehouses. Now, at the end of the last video itself, we have shown that we can able to reduce the transportation cost further by around 2.5 lakhs, which was around 83.75 lakhs to 81.2 lakhs. Now, in this video, we will show how to do that. If you have not watched that video, the link is available in description. Please go and watch it. Now, in this video, we will show you how to reduce or achieve this another 2.5 lakh reduction. Before going ahead, I request you to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. What we have did in last scenario, we have considered the number of vehicles as a fixed, whatever the values what we have got in scenario 1, we have considered the same number of vehicles for the movement of goods from factory to regional warehouses. We have only calculated these variables of number of vehicles from regional to divisional warehouses. Now, in this video, what we are going to do is we will consider both the number of vehicles, which is the movement of goods from factory to regional warehouse, as well as the regional warehouse to divisional warehouse as variable. So we will, based on the market scenario, so Excel will automatically calculate the values or the number of vehicles you have to move between the regional warehouses as well as the divisional warehouses. So in last scenario, we have seen there was 3 constraints. In previous one also, there was 3 constraints. So in our current scenario, we will consider all these constraints, which means 6 constraints we will consider here. So here our objective is to reduce the transportation cost. I am selecting this cell. I have to minimize it, my objective. So to minimize. So here there will be 2 variables. One is this portion. Add a comma. The next one is the other portion here. So here there will be 6 constraints. The first constraint is this region has to be an integer because the number of vehicles cannot be in decimal. This region also will be in integer. So 2 constraints we have added. Next thing is the supply from factory has to be less than or equal to their capacity. Third constraint added, the supply to regional warehouses should be greater than or equal to their demand so that there won't be any loss of business or loss of opportunity. The same thing, whatever the supply to divisional warehouses should be greater than or equal to their demand. The next constraint is this outbound, which is the inbound at regional warehouses. Whatever the supply cannot be higher than the outbound from regional warehouses cannot be greater than their inbound. So it should be less than their inbound. So I have added all the 6 constraints. My method remains same as simplex LP. Just click solve. Excel will take some time because it's a big problem. After taking some time, Excel will come up with the solution of 81.2 lakhs over there. The Excel stops, it takes some time. So I have not added those timings of calculation of Excel. So the final result, what we are getting is 81,20,000, as I said earlier, which is less than 2.5 lakhs. So this is the reduced value. If you have not understood how these values and all has arrived, please watch last 2 videos for better understanding, because we have shown how this model has been built up completely. For better understanding, please watch those videos. So do you think only 81,20,000 is the best solution? You can further reduce it. There is option, and we could achieve around 70 lakhs, you can see, which is less than around 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs reduction you can get further. How to do this? Just think about it. Please put it in comment section. If there is any options comes to your mind or any method you can able to do here, just think about it. We will show in our next video. If you have any queries, please put it in comment section. If you are finding some ideas, please put it in comment section. Please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends to know these kind of excellent analytical models to reduce the cost. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.